and I'm going to be talking to you about secured credit cards. Have you ever gone shopping and the cashier has asked you, would you like to apply for a credit card today? If you have, you're not the only one. Nowadays, there are many retail and department stores that offer their customers credit cards. But it depends on one's credit history if one gets accepted or not. A couple of months ago, I tried applying for a Sears card, but I got rejected because of insufficient credit history. My mother tried applying, but she got rejected as well because she had a bad credit score. According to the credit bureau, people with credit scores of 680 and above find it more easy to obtain credit cards. And those people with 620 of score and below find it more difficult to obtain credit cards. Credit cards are so important nowadays because in the future, if we decide to buy a house or buy a car, we need to have a high credit score to get loans easily and at a low interest rate. On the other hand, if we have low credit scores, it will be difficult to get loans and we will get them at a high interest rate. So now I'm going to be talking about how to obtain a secured credit card and what are their advantages and disadvantages. Secured credit card is a type of credit card secured by a deposit account owned by the account holder. In order to obtain a secured credit card, the purchaser must pay a deposit to the credit card company. Then the credit card company will then issue the buyer a credit card with a credit line from 50 to 100% of the amount of the deposit. For example, if the credit company offers you a credit line of 50% of the amount deposited and you give $100 of deposit, you will have a credit line of $500 to spend. Like any other credit card, there are advantages in a secured credit card. In a secured credit card, you don't have to spend more money than you actually have. You will have less risk to go in a debt, and also almost everyone is eligible for a secured credit card as long as you are above 18 and have employment. Also, a secured credit card reports to the major credit card companies and your credit score will rise. As a secured credit card also has disadvantages. One of the disadvantages of a secured credit card is that you have to have money in advance in order to make a purchase. If you don't have money in advance, you can't make a purchase. For example, if you have an emergency and your car breaks down and you don't have no money, you can't make any purchases at that time. Another disadvantage of a secured credit card is that the fees and services charged are really high compared to other regular credit cards. Finally, knowing the advantage and disadvantages of a secured credit card, there are many students, people that have pulled out of financial slump, recently unemployed, that a secured credit card will suit them really well. Credit cards are always needed either to reserve tickets, either to reserve plane tickets or reserve hotel rooms or rent a car. And after 8 to 12 months of prompt payments, you can generally graduate to an unsecured credit card. So if you have no credit history or a bad credit history, you have the option to apply for a secured credit card that will help you build your credit to achieve your financial goals. Thank you.